Hey lovelies, so this is a wash and go tutorial, all Oribe products today. I have got everything. So I'm starting on freshly shampooed hair. I shampooed twice, once with the cleanse clarifying shampoo and the other with the shampoo for Brilliance and Shine. So what you're going to see here is my whole routine. After I shampoo, I like to towel dry my hair really well, and then I go in with a deep conditioning mask. So the deep conditioning mask that I'm going to be using today is going to be the Signature Moisture Mask. I love it. It's great for all hair types and textures. It has a great amount of slip. So what you'll see me doing here is I like to go through section by section. I pretty much use all the same sectioning whenever I do my hair, and I am finger combing. I do use my wet brush as well, which you saw. I prefer the Epic wet brush. It's one of the professional ones, but this is what I had on hand at the time. So what I do is I go through and I finger detangle. After I apply it to each section, I kind of just split it in half and go through like so. And then what you will see is me going through with my wet brush just to get any hairs that are shed or left over. For the most part, I do mostly finger detangling, and then like a brush, a wet brush, or any kind of detangling brush is just what I do to make sure that I got all the shed hairs out and that it is fully detangled. So something that you're gonna see on the next section that I do is my different hair textures that I have around the perimeter of my head. So as you'll see here, I'm demonstrating how that piece is a bit kinkier. The curl is tighter. It's more of a cottony texture as opposed to a little bit of a looser curl that I have on different areas of my hair. So I kind of have to treat those areas differently. So I'm applying the product, but then I go in and I kind of split the curls. Like I like to group my hair by the curl, like the curls that like to come together. So if I have different textures, then I'm going to kind of work with them differently. So on that, sections like those that I have like in the center crown of my head, which a lot of people have, that have like textured hair, they have like a different tighter texture around the crown area. I have to give that area a little bit more love because it breaks a lot easier, it's drier, and then I lay on my back a lot, so it tangles a lot more, like I sleep like that. So, it's more prone to being damaged. So I gotta give it some extra love. So after I finger detangle again, I'm basically just doing the same thing and going up and down my head. If I come across some extra tangles like while I'm wet brushing, I'll go back and I'll finger detangle again, just because that's my preferred method. So that's that. Just going all throughout my head with the Oribe Signature Mask. So with that being said, I do also like to use not only the Signature Mask, I really love the Moisture and Control Mask and the Beautiful Color Mask. My hair is not currently colored, but I love the ingredients in it. I love the vitamin C and some of the other ingredients that just really give my hair a very nice shine, nice sheen, natural. It basically enhances my natural hair color. So my hair is not black, it's a dark brown. So here we're just going through the rest of the head. You see, I basically work with the same sectionings all over. So I just go in and I like to emulsify the product in my hand very well. And you'll see I get my hairline too. And I like to smooth it just to massage the product in, and then splitting it into where those curls like to group together once more, finger detangling as much as possible here, and then going in with the wet brush. Clarifying shampoos are very important for me, just talking about a different subject, because I think sulfate for shampoos are great. However, you do need something every now and again that's really going to deeply cleanse your hair. And in my opinion, you just can't get that just doing a co-wash or just water rinsing your hair. You need something that's going to deeply cleanse it, whether that be a shampoo like Oribe's The Cleanse, which is clay-based. Well, not clay, I'm sorry, it's Japanese volcanic ash. Something like that. Something that is a clay base, like a bentonite or a kaolin clay or what have you. Those are great because they are naturally derived and they don't strip all of your natural oils from your hair. So that's really awesome. And I did choose the Brilliance and Shine because of the mica and the reflection properties, and it's great for hydration as well. So now that I've worked all of that through, it does take a little bit longer outside the shower than in the shower. Since I'm going out of the shower today, I like to put on a processing cap. Sometimes I will go ahead and use heat. I do prefer to use heat, whether it's steam from the shower or actually doing it with a dryer, just because my hair is low porosity and I need some heat to open up my cuticle a little bit more so all of those awesome ingredients can get in. So, I get the question, after you do a deep conditioning mask, however often you do it, do you need to follow up with a rinse out conditioner? That is 100% up to you. I like to follow up my deep conditioning masks with a rinse out conditioner. So I'm using Oribe's Brilliance and Shine today to do a rinse out just because of the added slip, and I like just a little extra coating on top of my hair because masks are for the internal health of your hair, not the outside. So here we're going into styling. I did that, I rinsed it out. I'm using all Oribe Moisture and Control line. My favorite products from that line are the priming lotion leave-in, the styling butter curl enhancing creme, and the curl shaping mousse. Depending on how the mood that I'm in and the final look that I'm going for, I'll either use the mousse or the butter. Today I'm using the butter. I'm using the butter because I do want a little bit of extra hold, but I also want extra hydration. I did blow dry my hair, as you saw in my previous video. So whenever I put heat, like styling heat to my hair, I like to go in with something that's a little bit heavier just to make sure that my curls stay maintained, they stay hydrated from the inside out, nice and plump. So I'm doing the same thing again, working through finger detangling. At this point, I'm not using a wet brush. I've already wet brushed my hair, I've already detangled my hair. This is me literally just working the product through. So finger detangle, praying hands method, whatever you want to call it, working it, massaging it. After I finger detangle it, you'll see me smooth that section with closed hands, just to make sure that the cuticle of my hair is all in alignment. And it also helps the curls to clump together, as you will see. So moisture and control. You have got shea butter, you've got avocado oil, jojoba oil, heat protection of up to 450 degrees. And of course, Oribe's complex, their signature base for every single product, shampoo, conditioner, and styling aid that they have. So I'm just showing you my curl texture here, just showing you what that looks like. I don't know, some people subscribe to the whole curl pattern thing. I guess that would be like in the 4s, a 4A. I don't really subscribe to that anymore because it doesn't matter what your curl looks like. It depends on everything else, like your density, as well as whether it's spongy or silky. So you saw me, normally at that point I'm done. I'm not going to heat dry or anything. I'll let it air dry and I'll finish it up with the thick that you saw. Or you can even go in if you like to and use a dryer, a hooded dryer, and then go back in. But me, I decided to blow dry. I do it like that just so that I I can get some extra texture in my hair, like extra body and lift, because I have fine hair and my hair falls. And not only that, I'm about normal to low density, so anything that's gonna make my hair look better and bigger is best for me. So I like the thick dry finishing spray. I mentioned it in the last video. I like to spray it towards my roots, but I also spray it on the ends just to rough it up a little bit more. And here, my hair is not 100% dry. This is 100% dry. It's dry. I've put spray in it. Now I'm just fooling around and plumping it up with my pick just exactly how I want it to go. As you see, like some of the curls, like my curls are like falling flat. So I was just messing with them, making sure they stand up because I like it big. That's what I do. That's my thing. So here we are, guys. These are just some photos. This is the finished product. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in any Oribe products, I will leave a link for you so that you can make your purchase, or even DM me and ask me some questions. Have a blessed one.